Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to find Instagram password. If you have Instagram account and you have forgotten your password, you can get back your password without email address or phone number. All the Android and iOS devices having a feature whenever you try to log into Instagram or any other social account, Android and iOS devices will save automatically your login credentials, so that in future if you forgotten your Instagram or any other social account password, you can get back very easily. For this one, you have to open Google Chrome browser, and then you have to click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. Click on settings, and here you will see the passwords option. You have to click on it, scroll down, and then here you will find all the social account details that you have logged into your Android or iOS device. You have to scroll down and you can get back any social account password and login details. So right now you can see here is Instagram, so you will also find here Instagram. You can click on Instagram, and then here you will find your Instagram username also. In case if you forget the username, you can also check your username. In second line you will find the password. It will be in hidden digits. To make your password visible, you have to click on this eye, and then the password will be visible. Right now you can see our Instagram account password is now visible. So this is how you can also find out your forgotten Instagram password very easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.